So quick review, I had bought this traveling case for small pets on Amazon, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It is breathable, it has many doors. You have this one in the front and this one on the side. It has wheels that were really easy to put on. A lot of the reviews said it was difficult. Nobody had problems. I did not. This, if you want to take it off, you just push right there. It came with this collapsible tray for litter. I bought this separate for their hay. You can find that on Amazon as well. And what I loved about it is I was able to hook it onto these little rings right here. The travel case came with its own little carrying case, and it did provide the water bowl that's collapsible as well. Overall, I just love that they're both going to have enough room, and they'll be able to stay together. I did have them get used to it for about 2 to 3 days, and they love going in it. So now that they're familiar with it, it won't feel so foreign when they're in the car on our long road trip to Tennessee. But I have a smaller one too that I was thinking came bigger, but thankfully I bought this one. As you can see, this is a regular traveling case. And then you have the Mac Daddy right there. Great buy.
New situation. His carrier's over there. His leash. And he right there, once Dad puts in the nail, right there. His poop bags that go on his leash when his poop bags run out. His water, his toys, and his bones. And then down here is like his bath stuff and his body harness and nose, nails and stuff, nail stuff. All his care stuff, like bath stuff and care stuff is in there. And then his food is over here, and it has a jar with the line on it. Only fill the jar up to the line. This has this on it, so fill the jar up to the line.
Yeah. Simon!